An algorithm is simply a set of clear, step-by-step instructions to solve a problem or complete a task. Think of it like a recipe in a cookbook. Just as a recipe tells you exactly what ingredients you need and the order in which to mix them to bake a cake, an algorithm tells you exactly what steps to take to reach a solution. Example: making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Imagine you want to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Here's an algorithm, a recipe you might follow. 1. Gather ingredients and tools: bread 2 slices, peanut butter, jelly, a knife, a plate. 2. Lay out the bread. Place the 2 slices of bread side by side on the plate. 3. Apply peanut butter. Use the knife to spread peanut butter evenly on one side of the first slice of bread. 4. Apply jelly. Use the knife or a clean one to spread jelly evenly on one side of the second slice of bread. 5. Combine the slices. Place the peanut butter side and the jelly side together so that they touch. 6. Finish. Your peanut butter and jelly sandwich is now ready to eat. Each step in this process is clear and follows a logical order, ensuring that if you follow them correctly, you'll end up with a tasty sandwich. In the same way, algorithms in computers or daily life ensure that a problem is solved in a systematic, repeatable manner. This approach helps break down complex tasks into simple, manageable steps, making it easier for anyone to understand and follow the process.